guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video, I have got a little Aliexpress haul to show you. Now these items were cheap as chips. Cheap as chips. In fact, I'm going to tell you the prices as I go along. And not only were these items cheap as chips, but at the end, I'm going to tell you exactly what I should have paid and exactly how much I did pay by using my AliExpress coupons. And you are going to be shocked when you hear this. So, as always, guys, I shall pop a picture in the top right-hand corner of the screen of the item and the price that I paid. And I shall also leave all the links to what I'm showing you today in my description box below. Sometimes you will find that the links expired or the store's gone missing. That's usually on the designer brand logo items. I think I've only got some designer foils to show you today anyway. I think that's all I've got designer wise. So yeah, I shall leave the links to everything in my description box below. So let's get started, shall we? First thing I bought was these Dior foils. How cute are these? I thought they were really cool. I just thought they were really different. I've got some Louis Vuitton coloured foils like this, but these are slightly different colours. I quite like this minty green. I quite like this purple, the blue. I think they're all just the yellow. Yeah, they're really different. So you've got white, pink, mint green, navy blue, purple, orange, red, black, yellow, gold. And you get a metre of those. And for that, I paid £2.57 and 47 pence in shipping. Bargain. Absolute bargain. Next, I bought, this is the Yayoge carving gel in the colour Nude. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get this off because they are an absolute pain in the arse to get off from what I've heard. Pain in the jacksy. Hey, I did it. I did it. So this is like a sort of skin colour. I really wanted this colour last Christmas when I was doing some gonk nails. So I'm pleased I've got that. Now for that I paid £1.94. And then I bought some SKVP, and this is the Gypsum Gel, which is like a white textured kind of gel. You're not really going to be able to see it, but it is. It leaves like a slight raised 3D effect, but it also has kind of a texture to it, like a brickwork kind of texture, like a gritty kind of texture. And do you know what I like about these pots? Can you see that little lip there? And that is so you can wipe your brush off and you're not going to get it all round the pot. I think that's a really nice touch. Now that is a tiny little pot, but you do only need a tiny little bit, to be honest. So we'll see how I get on with that tiny little pot. I mean, there is 5 grams in that pot. And I only paid 95 pence for that. So can you really grumble at 95 pence? I don't think so. Now, these... No, actually, leave that till the end. Next, I bought some. These I'm not too happy with at all. But it's my own fault, so I can't even blame the seller. I ordered some Gucci charms. Now, can you see these? These are like a bit like perfume bottles, I suppose. I think that's what they're supposed to be. Little perfume bottles. And I placed the order for some Gucci charms. The seller sent me a message saying they're out of stock. There was Gucci charms and they had these clear crystals inside. He said, would you like to pick some more or would you like a refund? And next to the ones that I ordered was the same ones, but they had AB crystals inside. So I thought, when I replied with the code for the AB ones, and he said, yeah, we can send you them, these turned up. And I thought, oh look, we've got a stowaway. Oh look at the little heart stowaway. Oh, that's cute. Not sure why it's in there, but I'm sure I'll use it because it's cute. Anyway, so when these turned up, I was blaming the seller, obviously, and when I went and checked the picture, the number that I had given was, like, in the advert, there's like a picture, a code, a picture, a code, a picture, a code. And that code corresponds with that picture. But this code should correspond with this picture. I thought it was corresponding with this picture, so the code I actually gave was this one. So, yeah, my bad. I can't even blame the seller for that one. Well, I can, because he should have been in stock of what he's trying to sell me in the first place. But I don't mind. Never mind. I only paid £1.48 anyway, so I can't grumble, you know. And then I bought some Opal Crystals. It's the first time I've bought these. I don't know why, because I've wanted these for ages. Ages and ages, and just not got around to buying them. But how pretty are they? So you get green, blue, pink, and clear. And for that bag I paid 95p. Again, super affordable. Now this next item I thought was quite expensive for what it is, but it was the cheapest that I could find on Aliexpress, so it must just be very expensive to buy in general. This is the Abalone shell stickers. And now for that tiny little sticker is 58p, but it's got £1.03 shipping with it. So you pay more for your shipping than what you do the item. But totaled up, so £1.61 in total. That was still the cheapest I could find them for. So yeah, I thought I'd give it a try. But it's weird. Yeah, it breaks up into little pieces. It's ever so weird. Look, can you see that breaking? Strange, weird, really weird. Yeah, so can't wait to give that a try, because I've been wanting some abalone shell for ages. Another thing I've just not got around to ordering. Then I bought some Rosalind shiny platinum gel. Now I only bought this because it was dirt cheap and I needed to make up a few pence for a coupon to kick in, and I didn't know, I was in a rush and I didn't know what to buy. So yeah, I bought this. Ooh, it's pretty. It's super pretty. Super pretty. Look at that. Ooh. That is really pretty and sparkly. Yeah. Love that. And for that, I paid 26p. And then lastly, you're not going to believe these when I show you these, guys. These were dirt cheap. So I bought their Nailwind Polygel 15g tubes. I bought 2 soft pink, 38p each. 38p. Then I bought a glow in the dark purple, which was 68p. And then lastly, I thought I would try a black. Now it does say light black. I've never tried black polygel before. I know it is, not many companies do black polygel. So even though it says light black, I did have a quick look and it doesn't look very light. So I've got a little bit of hope for this, thinking it may be really black. I mean, look, it doesn't look light to me, does it you? It looks creamy, it looks black. So I can't wait to give that a try. Now, what we've not been recording for too long, so I think I'm going to swatch these on a little bit of tissue. The black was 38p, the pinks were 38p, and the glow in the dark purple was 68p. Now, if these are any good, I am going to buy a ton of these, because for me they're ideal. You know, if a lot of the designs what I do are just on tips on my practice hand, and it's just a complete waste of expensive products, you know. So if I can find a product that's good and cheap, I'm going to buy a load of these, you know, for my videos. So let's have a little look at these, shall we? I'm just going to put a little blob on a tissue for now. And then I probably will do a swatch video on these very soon. Or I'll probably just use them in a design very soon, to be honest. Ooh, this pink looks creamy. It doesn't look sheer. Look at that. That looks nice. So that is the soft pink. Ooh, look at that black. That's the black. And then lastly is the glow in the dark purple. And this one's quite a stiff one. Don't know whether it's because it's luminous. Is it stiffer? I don't know. It's quite stiff though. It's quite stiff. Now I might just give these a little touch with my brush just to see if they're sticky. That's what I want to know. Just to get a little feel for them. So where is my alcohol? No, they actually feel really nice to work with. Even that black is super pigmented. It's a little sheer, but you got to think that is a very thin layer I've just put on there. I would expect black to be super sticky, but look at that. My brush is not sticking to that at all. Wow. I can't wait to try that on a nail. But yeah, they're not sticky or anything. Ooh, I'm a little bit excited, you know. Right, I'm just going to give them a quick cure in my lamp for 60 seconds just to see what they cure like, you know. I just can't believe that. 38 pence for the pink and the black. I'm definitely going to be getting some more of these. I am going to try swatching them on a nail as well, just to make sure they do cure properly and just to make sure they are as opaque as what they're looking on the paper towel. But from what I've seen so far, I am pleasantly surprised and excited as well. Very excited. Definitely going to have to pick some more of them up ASAP before they put the price up. Because I can see a lot of people giving good reviews about these and they're going to put the price up. So, yeah, get your order in, guys, if you want to buy some. Right, so, let's have a look, shall we? Oh, my goodness. Ooh, that's really weird. Oh, it is glow in the dark. Right, so they cure with a tacky layer. Fully cured. Now, should we have a look at this in the dark, this purple? Are you ready? I don't know if it's going to work. Let's have a look. Right, give me 2 seconds, guys. I shall flip all the lights out so you can see it glowing. Look at that. Yes, look at it glowing. I'm like a big kid. I am like a big kid. Look at that glowing. And there's still a little bit of light in here as well, so... Look at it. I love that colour. Love that. So, there we are, guys. That is everything that I've got to show you that I've bought from AliExpress. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I've been giving you the prices of everything that I paid all the way through. And now I'm going to show you what I paid after using my AliExpress coupons. So the first coupon wasn't as good as the second one, but it was still alright. So the first one was 77 pence off £3.85. And with that coupon, I bought the Dior designer foils for £2.57 and the Yayoge Nude carving gel for £1.94, which totals to £4.51, and I only paid £3.74. Now this next coupon was amazing, guys. £3.85 off £3.86. And with that coupon, I bought the Gypsum Gel for 95 pence, 2 soft pink Nailwind polygels, 38p each. The glow in the dark purple polygel for 68p. The black polygel for 38p. The Opal Crystals for 95p. And the Rosalind platinum gel for 26p. Which totals to £4.08, meaning I only paid 23p for all those items, guys. Can you believe how cheap I've got all this for? It's just crazy, absolutely crazy. How anyone can not shop on AliExpress baffles me. It's just mind-blowing to me. I don't know how people can afford not to shop on there. It's just so cheap. And like I always say in my AliExpress videos, always use your coupons, guys, because you save an absolute fortune with them. So I think that's everything for this video, guys. I really hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell with your notifications turned on. That way you'll never miss an upload. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.